Hello folks, welcome back to Martin's Adventure, and today we are in Phoenix, Arizona for the Fiesta Bowl of University of Miami Hurricanes versus the Ole Miss Rebels. We are here in Arizona, the hotel. I'm staying in the Home 2 Suites here by Hilton, surrounding here by the airport. It is a chilly, overcast day. It is currently 52 degrees here at 8:45 in the morning. Game is at 5:30 p.m. tonight here at the Mountain Time, I guess, is the time zone here. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go check out some areas around Phoenix here and Scottsdale, and then we'll head to the stadium. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video. Most of it is just gonna be sights and sound. But here we are on the freeway, expressway here, driving. Some views of the mountains and the weather. Look at the clouds. There's an 85% chance of rain. Weird, it will get cloudy and dark, then we'll get sunny like this, cloudy, and then we will get rain. Here you see the clouds again. Here we have rain. We even had hail. I had not driven through a hailstorm probably in 20 years. They were not that big though. They were like pebble size. And here's the hotel where the Canes were staying. Here's some of their buses as they were getting ready to depart to the stadium.
Viva Fiesta.
They were staying at the Fairmont Princess Hotel and Resort. Beautiful establishment, by the way. So I'll leave you here with sights and sounds, and I'll interact here and there. So folks, we have arrived here to State Farm Stadium, home of the Arizona Cardinals, where today the Fiesta Bowl will take place. Today is January 8th, and the Miami Hurricanes play Ole Miss here at State Farm Stadium. ACC versus SEC, and this semifinal game, Final Four football, as we get to the next game. Hopefully we win and we get to the next game. Here, just parked in the lot here behind me. The mountains back there. Cloud cover has been raining. There was even hail earlier. And it's kind of chilly here. It's like in the low 50s right now. Police armored vehicle here. And then here, a lot back there where I parked. Sorry, that was fast spinning there. And then here we are. Let's go inside and check it all out. We gotta go through security here. We have to do this giant queue line of gates and then get searched and then go inside the stadium. There's the line to me. See you inside. So we decided to go across the street, like a block and a half, to the Tanger Outlets. Since we had so much time before the game, they still did not have the gates open to get into the stadium, so we had to wait like another hour and 15. So we decided to go over here. The fan zone at that time was closed because of the hailstorm and the winds. They had closed it, and they were planning on reopening it, but the line was very big, so we just decided to go over here to the stores. In the meantime, my wife and my daughter, we came here and we started doing some walking around, seeing some of the sights here from this shopping center. Now you see it's so empty. It's because they were charging $75 for parking if you wanted to park here for the game. So nobody is going to come here and shop if they have to pay $75 parking. So we ended up parking right in front of the stadium for $50, $51 exact. And we were like right there by gate 2. So it was a good parking, and then we just walked over here. This was because we checked this place out first for the parking. It was $75, but this is a very cute outlet mall. There's Banana Republic. We ended up buying some things. I had to go back and put it in the trunk in the parking lot. There's Polo Ralph Lauren. It was chilly too. It was in the high 40s right now. Go Canes!
security here, and now we're going to gate 3. It's on the opposite side. We went into gate 2. There's the 3 back there. Okay, folks, now we're at the stadium. We're walking in, getting a glimpse of the stadium here, looking at everything. Also, here, going down the first level, here you see the Green Bay Cast. You see the filming the video there. You see Desmond Howard, Reese, and McAfee, Saban, and Kirkpatrick all in. Pretty cool to see. Even the dog was there here. Was awesome. And then we have to. My seats are upstairs in the section. But we are taking it still early, so we're here downstairs looking around. Hell yeah, man, let's go! And upstairs first. There you see Kirk Cousins all there in the corner of the stage on that side.
Hi.
So beside game day, there also was another show being filmed on the opposite side. As you can see, on the opposite side of the 10-yard line, game day is not here. There was a third on the other end zone, which was the ACC network. Also, so 3 shows were being filmed at the same time. You see these two, one across from the other.
Let's hear the fans in red and blue.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light was so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming in the rocket's red bursting
Fans who would like to thank Michael and Tanya for that thrilling rendition. And now the Cotton Bowl champions. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sugar Bowl champions, led by head coach Pete Golding, the Ole Miss Rebels.
Congratulations to both teams on an outstanding season and your achievements in the college football playoff. Joining us tonight for the coin toss is the general manager of Verbo, Mr. Larry Plowski, who will present tonight's commemorative flipping coin. Miami, you've been designated as the visitor for this game, and you'll call the toss. Repeat his call. The two helmets is heads, and the Fiesta Bowl logo is tails. What is your call? What did he call? He called tails. We're going to let it hit the ground. It is a head. Mississippi is going to toss, and they want to receive. Which one do you want to?
goes out. Chances pass complete. Number 4, Mark Fletcher Jr. carrying. Fletcher carrying. Fletcher carries. Pass complete. Next pass complete. Next pass.
Get game day ready.
And 2 sacks. Byron Brown, a quarterback for South Florida, overcame a season-ending lower leg fracture in 2024. Fletcher carries.
Tonight we begin our show with the 2024 hit, TBR.
Handoff goes out of the end zone. Touchback.
Special thanks to the Fiesta Committee and State Farm Stadium for upgrading us on the seats and relocating us from the level 400 to level 300 first row. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
For inside access and exclusive content from the college football playoff, stay connected with @CFP Playoff on all its official social media channels, including
That carry.
This is it, folks. 24 seconds. We're on the 3-yard line. Let's see if we can score it in, punch it in for the win here. Let's go, Kane. Punch it in. Oh my God, he scored! He scored! He scored! Max scores, runs it in for a touchdown. Good.
1 point conversion,
21,
10-0.
27. Hey, we need our defense! Defense! Get it out, Hurricane! Let's go! Defense! 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 Hurricanes win! We're going to the national championship at home! Who's taking them?
Well, good evening, everybody. I'm Holly from ESPN, and what an incredible game today. We are so excited. And an amazing, amazing win tonight. It is my honor to present the Burno Fiesta Bowl Championship Trophy to Coach Mario Cristobal.
Second of all, it's not me, it's everybody. Look at all the people here wearing Miami stuff.
Look at JJ, Leo, right there. JJ's right there.
How about we go to Miami? Does that sound okay?
One more. Hang it out, Charlie.
One more, Michael.
Where's his trophy at? No, this is the ball.
Guys, gotta go back down, please. Let's get a little confetti. Toss the kids some confetti. Let's get some confetti over here. We're gonna let me get some confetti, boys. Let's go! Let me get that football now. Let's get some confetti, boys. Look at that trophy.
So here we are getting out of the Fiesta Bowl after we saw the ceremony through gate 3 again. We're going to the national championship, folks. Fiesta Bowl champions. We're going to the national championship. Let's see against who, Oregon or Indiana. Try to do the video fast to come out tonight or tomorrow. Wow, what an exciting day. Go Canes.
Here's some of the buses arriving with the police escort back at the hotel with some of the players and staff. There were multiple buses. I think it was like 8 of them in total. These were like the first 2 that arrived back at the hotel. Go Canes. Folks, hope you enjoyed the video here at the airport. Now getting ready to head back home to Miami. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, folks. Go Canes.